guys, it's me, Critter Smackers, and I just thought I'd do like a little type of vlog type thing because I have a pet sitting job today. I have to pet sit my neighbor's dog because they're out of town for a few days. So I'm just sort of going to vlog my experience with the dog because I babysitted him before, or pet sitted him before, if you want to say that, and he's not very nice. Put in the garage code. You can already hear him barking. Hi, Obi. Hi. Obi. No. No. Come here. So here he is. So I gotta let him out to go to the bathroom now. Come on. Go potty. Go potty. I don't think you really want to see this, but you know. I'll make sure he goes to the restroom so he won't pee in the house. Ooh! Oh, he's scared. Oh. I think I'm going to let him outside while I give him his food and water because normally he tries to bite me if I try and touch his food and water. So I'm going to let him out and then I'm going to give him his fresh water. Go outside. Come on. So now I'm going to give him some fresh water. Okay. Give that a little scrub. Okay. Let's give him some fresh water. And now I'm going to give him some fresh food. Obi! Great. He just opened up the door. Obi! What? How'd you get inside? Oh well. So, dump this out. Dump his food out. So this is his dog food. Perfect. Okay. Now I'm going to give him his treat. Move out of the way. Move. Boy. Want one? Want one? Good boy. Yay! Look at how cute he is. Yeah. Go get it. Oh, he's so cute. Oh. Oh. You eat? So I've just been playing with Obi for a few minutes, and he's been very noisy, and I have a big dog, so I'm not really used to all this, like, little dog barking, because my dog doesn't normally bark like this, so it's kind of crazy, but he's cute. So I want to show you guys how protective he is of his house. So if you go upstairs and you try to sit on the bed, he sits on it before you do, and, like, growls at you. Come on. I want to show you guys. Come on, Obi. Upstairs. What? Oh, she's gonna. Oh gosh. Oh. Oh. He's so cute. Shh. Come on, let's go. Got to follow him, so he's. Come on, let's go downstairs. Come on. Okay. So I'm finished babysitting Obi. Bye, Obi. So that was sort of my experience with, I guess, pet sitting Obi. I mean, he wasn't the best dog to babysit. He was actually pretty mean. He kind of nipped at me a few times, so yeah, he's pretty mean, but I guess it's just because he's trying to protect his house. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this little vlog of me babysitting Obi, and talk to you guys later. Bye.